Hey, hi guys, welcome back to our interesting playlist that is a master in Linq query. In this video, we are going to solve one simple scenario which is based on this method that is a take, skip, take while and skip while. How we can implement this method in single Linq query. Okay, so I already created video which is related to this methods. Okay, please go through that link which is available into the description. Okay, and in case of you are new, please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so let's get started. So suppose this is my text file, and text file contain this kind of data. Means yeah, first line is this is header, this is the start of the file, then start and roll, like this kind of data which is available into this text file. What I need to do, I need to get the output as this line, 4 line only. Means if line is starting with the roll, then I need to get that line. Okay, and I need to display output like this, highlighted: roll 1, roll 2, roll 3, roll 4. I need to display this record only, means line. I don't want to get this line in output. Okay, so how we can solve this scenario using this all method? So let's see, we are going to understand in UiPath. So I'm going to open the UiPath. Okay, so directly I'm going to apply the query. So first of all, what I need to do, I need to get the data from that text file. So how we can get the data from that text file? So that's why we have an activity in UiPath, read text file activity. But here we are not going to implement that activity. We have already created one video which is related to this text file, means how we can read the text file without read text file activity. So that link which is available into the description, please go through that. You will get the idea about the how we can get the data from text file without activity. So output as a string, output as an array of lines or array of string. Okay, directly I'm going to apply the query. So first line, that is a iteration line. Okay, that is a from line in. Here I need to mention the collection, and my collection is nothing but a array of lines, means this one: first line, second line, third line, fourth line, array of lines. So how we can get the data, means like array of lines from that text file. Here I'm going to write the method file dot read lines. Okay, or read all lines. Okay, read all lines. In bracket you need to mention the path of that text file. I'm going to take a copy as a path and paste it here. Okay, and next line, this is output of this, that is a array of lines from that text file, array of string or array of lines. Okay, so here I'm going to apply the logic. What is that logic? First of all, I'm going to skip. I'm going to use a skip while not line dot start with, in bracket double quote, start. Sorry, yeah, this one. Yeah, so this is my logic. So what I'm doing here, so first of all I'm going to skip this record. Skip, if it is not line start with start, then I'm going to skip this line. Again, this line is not going to start with start, it is going to skip. Yeah, this line, it is not going to it is not going to start with start. Yeah, if it is false, then it is going to stop that loop. Okay, so directly I'm going to mention the not line start with start, means it is going to skip the record if line is not going to start with this start. Okay, so next, here my output is this one. Okay, up to that line my output is this. Then I don't want to get this one also data. I don't want to get this start as well. Okay, I need to get the roll 1, roll 2, roll 3, roll 4. Again we need to skip this line as well. So again I'm going to mention the skip how many number. I need to get the I need to skip the only one lines, because output of this line is including start, means what, this one. it is going to check, yeah, this line is not going to start with start, then it is going to skip that, because I am going to implement this skip while. Okay, condition is true, it is going to skip the line, because yeah, it is going to check not start with start, it is going to skip that. Okay, my output is this. Again we need to skip this as well, so that's why I'm going to mention the skip one. Now I have output, this is my output. Again we need to skip this record as well. Again, in end and not needed. Okay, so again I'm going to apply the skip. Okay, again I'm going to apply the take while. Here I'm going to apply the take while. Okay, take while. Okay, here again I'm going to mention the not dot line. Okay, not space, sorry, space line dot start with, in bracket we need to mention the end. Okay, end. Again we need to mention the end. Okay, that's it. And finally, whatever the result found, and we need to select that result, select that line. Okay, select that line. Okay, what is the meaning of this line, guys? See, now my output is this one up to skip one. Okay, my output is these lines. Okay, what I need to do, I need to skip the line. Okay, yeah, sorry, I need to take the record roll 1, roll 2, roll 3, roll 4. So that's why I'm going to mention the take while not line start with in. Yeah, this line is not starting with in. Yeah, it's a true. Select that record. This line is not going to starting with in. Yeah, it's a true. Select that record. This line, it is not going to start with n. It is going to select. This one also true. But this one, now this condition is going to false. Means what? Take while it is going to take only this record. Okay, so that is the meaning of this line. Finally, we need to select the line as a array. Okay, and we need to select the array. So my variable is a array str where I already created. And finally we need to display that. I am going to take a message box activity, and how we can display the data from that array as a string dot. I am going to join that array. Okay, here I am going to every line I am going to separate it by new line, so that's why I am going to mention the environment dot new line, environment dot new line, data separated by new line. So that's why I'm going to mention the environment dot new line, and here I'm going to write the collection, and I'm going to run this. So let's see what is the output of this query. Yeah, it is going to display the roll 1, roll 2, roll 3, roll 4. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is nothing but how we can use this method, that is a skip while, take while, skip, take. Okay, and correct. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. In case of any query, please drop the message into the comment box. Okay, yeah, so thanks.